Hey guys, Jay and Jarrod here from Elite Foot Care, talking today about a really common presentation that we see at Elite Foot Care, fungal toenails, or what we clinically would call onychomycosis. Now, what that is a fungal infection within the nail, and we'll really see that across all the toenails, and it's really found in patients or people that work in humid, damp environments or in enclosed shoes for long periods of time, frequently use nail polish or lacquers, which encapsulate that fungal matter. So, Jay, first question, where would we find fungal spores?
Fungal spores are all around us in the environment, especially in your work shoes, your sports trainers. They can be in gyms and showers. They can be in the socks and hosiery we wear as well. So they can be all around us, and if we're typically trying to treat that and not eliminating things in our own environment, we're kind of up against it when we try to treat it.
So we know that there's a lot of common treatments out there, ones that we can get over the counter, medications and things like that. But some of those have poor safety, some of those are just not effective, quite often because those fungal spores or the fungal infection is really deep, and us just putting something over the top of nails, not really getting down underneath there and treating the infection. So today we're going to have a chat about a new treatment that we house here at Elite Foot Care, the gold standard in treating fungal toenails. Tell us a little bit about that.
So Elite Foot Care has now acquired what's called a Lunula Laser. And this uses the body's own immune system to come down with a small laser that's non-painful into the nail, and it kills that nail spore underneath the nail. It's a state-of-the-art machine that is worth about over $50,000. We've really invested heavily as we see a lot of this, and a lot of people are now coming to us and go, we just can't find a treatment. So we have an 89% success rate with this particular fungal laser. Now how it works, it uses two lasers. One attacks the actual spore itself, and the other one increases that blood flow to the area so we can start to really kill those spores well underneath the nail. We also want to try and clean everything around our environment as well. So there's a couple things going on there that we take you through, and you can get your nail fungal away as easy as sometimes 4 consultations is all it takes.
Yeah, so I guess it comes back to we're trying to provide a comprehensive service and one that's really effective. So, you know, we might be looking at implementing the laser, but we're also looking at all those other contributing causes. So the footwear, which will try and clear of those fungal spores and look at the skin around that as well.
Exactly.
So a really common question when we look at the thought of laser, is the treatment painful?
So this treatment is absolutely pain-free. There's 2 different types of lasers. We have a hot laser, which actually tries to burn out the spores. Can take about 30 minutes and can be a bit uncomfortable. With our laser, it is completely pain-free. It's a cold laser. It takes 12 minutes and you have no discomfort throughout the whole procedure.
Yes, it's very good. So how many sessions would we be looking at to have for this treatment, and is it something that we're going to see changes straight away, or is it going to take a little bit of time?
We have always want to do about 4 sessions to the minimum. What we also do is apply a lot of nail care, and we burn down those nails to get rid of as much of that fungus nail as possible. While we do that, we actually sterilise your shoes on site as well, so we're really trying to rid the environment of it. We also encourage clean new socks, and also some topical things to add to really try and attack it from every avenue. So those are kind of the best ways we are finding that we get really good results.
Yeah, awesome. So it's been really good. Thanks, Jay. Having a chat today about a really new, modern, effective treatment that we can use for fungal nails and hopefully treat them once and for all. So if yourself or family or friends are always battling with these fungal nails, coming into summer, why don't you come in, have an assessment, get some really effective treatment and rid them once and for all.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.